Here we have the door opening. Notice the compression on the spring. That way if any birds are caught in the door, it won't hurt them. Or if the door's jammed, which it's not. Nice steady progression. Tension taken up on the spring. Counterweight is coming up. This will open up until the white block jams against the door frame. The spring will compress a bit. The knot, you can just see it going up into the unit and it shuts it off. As chickens come out, if it hasn't fully opened, they just nudge it and the spring will just pull it that little bit extra, but that's enough space for them to get out, and these are big chickens.